What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back here to bring you guys another video, but more like a quick update. I am alive, I am well, just in case you're wondering. I haven't uploaded on YouTube in a couple of weeks, but I've done a bit of traveling recently. Right now actually in Amsterdam, so give you guys a little view outside. They actually just beat the USA in the World Cup round of 16, so congratulations to them. Commiserations to you guys in the US. But yeah, no, just wanted to give you guys a little update and tell you guys I'm still trading, I'm still on the move, still doing the usual stuff. We definitely got some big plans for the Discord going into the new year, so if you don't know about Discord or you're not in Discord, make sure to check it out. The link's in the description below. But yeah, like I said, this is like a brief update video. I've seen the market doing crazy things as of late. Of course, it's always the case with FOMC or Fed minutes or anyone speaking that things can get crazy, as you guys know. So please do make sure you guys are sizing into positions, taking profit where you can. Be smart with what you do, be smart with your decisions, and of course, the most important thing is make that money. But as I said, a few weeks back, I don't think the market is done, with this dropping, let's say. Obviously, bull runs are very nice, seeing the market move is very nice, and at the same time, make money off either way, like make money no matter which way the market goes. That's just the usual thing to do, right? The best thing you can do. So don't be fooled by, gurus and fake traders and all that kind of stuff, doing or saying, all sorts, thinking they know what's what in the market. Focus on your own game, keep sharpening your tools, keep learning more about what you can do to make yourself a better trader and obviously make enough money to start living the life of your dreams and get on that financial freedom path. So yeah, like I said, that was kind of just an update from me. So tomorrow's Sunday, Monday morning, going to Spain. That should be fun. There's also another team in the World Cup taking part right now. And also, do yourself a favor. Look to see if you can get some stocks off any, any World Cup stocks. Any, I don't know. Obviously not beer, I guess, or alcohol, but there are going to be some things which can, maybe make some good moves off World Cup news and stuff like that. But yeah, like I said, overall, it was just a little video to check in with you guys. I will probably do another video like this in Spain. I'll try and check in with you guys as well on YouTube anyway. But if you know where to find me, well, I can tell you what. Discord, Instagram, I'm always there. Twitter, I'm there every now and then. But yeah, Discord and Instagram, you can definitely find me there. So come through, come check out what's going on, check out what's happening. There you see the sign, Amsterdam. But yeah, that's it from me, guys. It's been nice checking in with you guys. Hope you guys are all well. Hope you guys had a nice Thanksgiving, Black Friday. Last month of the year, put in that work, make things happen. And of course, go into the new year in the right way. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to drop that like button. If you guys want to see more videos like this, subscribe. You won't see that many more videos like this, but you'll see a lot of useful videos. Also, make sure you guys comment, let me know your thoughts in the description below. And lastly but not least, guys, share these videos with your friends. So thanks a lot for watching. That is it for me. I got into making, you got into making. See you guys next time for another video.